what's up guys? It's been a while, I'm sorry, really apologize. I had some issues, but we're back, so let's get into it. Today we're going to be talking about my thoughts on a Vanish that's called the Retention Vanish. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the Retention Vanish has been around quite a long time. The first Vanish I have come across came from Bobos, and that was called the Elusive Coin Vanish. Using retention of vision, you can cause a coin to vanish almost as if you can see it to the very last moment that it's in the hand before it vanishes. And that is the Retention Vanish. I know David Roth has a lot of work on the Retention Vanish, as well as Steve Freeman has a really nice Retention Vanish, and Zion has a very good Retention Vanish. There's a bunch of Retention Vanishes out there, different thoughts on it and why it works, but these are mine, so let's get into it right now. So this is the Retention Vanish, and this is how I do it. This is based off of Steve Freeman, his Retention Vanish, the Elusive Coin Vanish from Bobos, and also my friend Jim's Retention Vanish. Basically, you have the coin held between these fingers, so just two fingers like this, very open display. Now the idea of this is basically when you place the coin here, okay, and you come back, your hands relax naturally. So just watch that. So this hand is spread out. As I come back, squeeze, the hand relaxes. One more time, I want you to see this, just relax. So you're going to use that to your advantage, because one of the main issues with retention vanishes is you'll see that finger go. You'll see some movement in the knuckle here. You get a knuckle flash, as they call it. So basically you're going to take the coin, and as you go here, you're going to use the meat of this hand, a la Steve Freeman, and as you come back, you're going to relax. Okay, so open display, so you're using that as you come forward, and then relaxing the rest of the hands as you come back. So you start coming forward, then relax the hand as you come back, as you're closing the hand. So again, with an exposed view, you place the coin onto the flesh. As you close the hand and relax this hand, the coin is vanished. Now, the main point with a Retention Vanish is you want a slight glimmer of light on the coin. That's what creates the retention of vision. That's what creates the tension of vision. So as you do that, you're going to close the hand and you kind of come forward, letting the light gleam off of it. Now this coin isn't very shiny, of course, but you want to use more of a shiny coin for this kind of vanish. Another important point is when to close your hand. So as you come forward and you place this coin here, and you're coming forward and you're starting to relax this hand, once these two pinkies touch, you're going to relax. Okay? You're going to come here, you're going to relax the fingers as these pinkies touch. So here, relax the fingers. So as you relax the hand and these fingers touch, you're going to close and just relax the rest, like such. That is, in a nutshell, the Retention Vanish. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed the tutorial. I really hope you check out Steve Freeman's work on the Retention Vanish, as well as that Elusive Coin Vanish in Bobos. David Roth has some very good work in expert coin magic, as well as ZJ Yan, who has something on Lost Art. I will leave a link in the description for that. There are many other versions, ideas tossed around on how to minimize the finger motion in the Retention Vanish, and I hope you check all those out. This is just my take on it, and I really hope you enjoy it. If you like this content, subscribe, hit the bell button so you can see more just like it. Also, hit the like button just for S's and G's. And if you can leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see in the future. That would be greatly appreciated. I will catch you later in the next video, and see you later.